Hey everyone, welcome to the Mariel header. My name is Mariel, and in today's video I'm going to review the new 27 palette by Melt. So this was a palette that I really didn't think I was gonna get. For the past, I don't know, 6 months, I've just been kind of like about new palettes that have been released. It's annoying because I said I wasn't gonna buy a warm tones palette, and well, here we are. Like, I know we've all kind of seen these warm tone palettes, but in the other ones I've seen, the shades are just too similar, and here that's not exactly what's going on. I know you're looking at it and you're like, oh, at least 4 or 5 of those look the same to me. No, some of these are more on the peachy side, some of these are more on the cooler side, and knowing that Melt makes shadows that are just so pigmented, very high quality, they feel very silky when you put them on, they blend beautifully. I knew that this was gonna be not just like for me for fun, but it was also gonna be like an investment. I do have similar shades to some of the ones in this palette already, but I was so pleasantly surprised when I saw this like in person, because the tones are just way richer. They just seemed like, and it's also really convenient to have all of these shades in one palette. I have the similar ones kind of like in different palettes or in singles, and it's just kind of a hassle. So those are my thoughts in general about the palette. I also love this packaging, you know, it's super slim. We have a really great mirror, and honestly I've been over summer since before summer started, so this got me really into a fall mood. I can't wait. I know it's the middle of July. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do some swatches. I know that eyeshadow swatches aren't usually like the most reliable, so we're gonna start with this side of the palette. We're gonna do Naked Sleep, Downtown, and Nip Slip. So here is Naked Sleep. My super pale wrist. Next is Downtown. Now Nip Slip. I barely got some on there, hold on. I'm just like not great at swatching these. Okay, there you go. Next we're gonna do Moxie, Crime Fighter, and One More Thing. Moxie is like the most beautiful brick red. Are you ready? There is Moxie, Crime Fighter, and One More Thing. This one is really light, but look at that, wow. Next we have Thick and Vegas Past. These shadows are pretty soft, so when I'm swatching them, there is some fallout, but that's just because they're softer, no big deal. So here we have Thick. And here's Vegas Past. Wow, look at that reflection, so pretty. Last but not least, we have Whiskey Neat and Moonchild. Whiskey Neat is the chocolatiest brown. Now, I know it swatches a little patchy, but it just, these all just go on so smoothly on the eye. Okay, now Moonchild, okay, there you go. Those are the swatches again. I really don't care for swatches, but people want them, so there you go. Let me get you in a little bit closer so you can see me putting on the shadows. I'm gonna take Naked Sleep with my pigment packer from MOTD, and I'm gonna apply that to my crease as a transition color, and then I'm gonna buff it out with my Sigma E36 blending brush. Now I'm gonna follow that with Nip Slip. This color is just a tad peachier. Now I'm gonna pack on Downtown with the pigment packer, and I'm gonna start at the center of the eye. I wanna leave some space here at the front for Crime Fighter. Now I'm gonna grab Moxie. I'm gonna do some blending with my Sigma Dual Fiber Blend in E41. I'm gonna dip back into Downtown with my Miss Shady Lady brush just to intensify it a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna use my finger to apply Crime Fighter. I mean, you could do a cut crease if you want, but I like this more melty, soft blend look. I'm gonna grab that dual fiber blend brush again and do some more blending. If you have a very small space between your brow and your moving eyelid, these little brushes really come in handy. All right, and those are the warmer shades. Moving on to the cooler shades, I'll use those on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna start with One More Thing and my Pencil Me In brush by MOTD. I'm just gonna run that all along my bottom lash line. Since I don't have a very tall eyelid, I have very little space to show off my eyeshadow. I like to show off eyeshadow in my bottom lash line, so I will squint and fill this whole area down to the line where I squint. Next, I'm gonna dip into Thick, and I'm gonna apply that to the rest of the bottom lash line. Just gonna buff those out a little bit with my blending brush. Next, I'm going to grab Vegas Past with my e.l.f. contour brush. It's just a really tiny domed pencil brush, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna take Whiskey Neat with my Pencil Me In brush, and I'm just gonna deepen the outer V. Okay, I have one color left. I am out of space on my eye, but I'm determined to use all of the colors. So I'm gonna grab Moonchild. I'm gonna use the Real Techniques 202 angle brush. I'm gonna wet that with my Pacifica Crystal Power Hydro Mist, and then I'm gonna dip into Moonchild. It'll become a liner. Good times. This works so well as a liner. I love it. And a tip for those of you with hooded eyelids, if you don't have enough space to do a line, or if when you do a line it just ruins your whole look, apply any dark color to the base of your lashes, like really work it in to the waterline. And you know what? I'm gonna dip into Crime Fighter again and just doot doot doot. Okay, let me do my other eye and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Here are both eyes done. I went ahead and put on some more mascara on my lower lashes, and I applied some Ardell Demi Wispies to my top lashes. And in case you're wondering what's going on with my highlight, I am wearing the Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe in Unicorn, which is a highlighter with a pink shift, and I top that off with Rose Quartz by Jouer. It is another highlighter with a pink shift. And I'm gonna keep the theme going by applying Hot Fire. This is drying out, it's dying. It is probably gonna be one of the last times I wear Hot Fire by Desi and Katie for Dose of Colors. And I'm gonna top that off with Lime Crime's Diamond Crusher in LA. Alright guys, so there is my review and demo of Melt's 27 palette. The colors are just so gorgeous and they're super easy to blend. If you've been meaning to update your warm tones, I mean, this is the only thing you need. Let me know in the comments if there is another Melt product that you're just dying to know about. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video with a friend. Oh, comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video with a friend. I would really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video, and until then, bye.